Do you like this park?
Yeah,
Well, yes,
This-
we love it. We don't live here, but
it's quite good. We are not from here, but it's quite fun to be here around.
nice.
Why do you like it?
Natural and the squirrels too. I'll say.
Well, it's nearby the sea. You can have nature and you can enjoy the nature and enjoy the city as well. It's very quiet. You can do lots of activities here.
Do you know any flower and trees names in this park?
Yeah, we know a few.
Well, I'm
Could you
very
name some of them?
Apollonia down
We're
there.
very surprised to find a Paulownia tree here. I never
it's
seen
in there.
that here.
And we also saw the eucalyptus and the pine trees around.
And the flowers are very, very beautiful.